Hey guys, this is Bill back on the channel, and on the bench today we have a box, and I wanted to do unboxing because I've been really wanting something like this for a while. And as you can already tell by the title, I'm not even gonna beat around the bush, we're just gonna get straight into it. So this is a Dynamite mid-range tune pipe. I can't remember the actual name they give this thing, but cutting boxes with one hand is a little difficult, but there it is. I thought it'd be in a box, but like the actual part would be in a box, but it's actually not. So there it is, receipt and stuff. Okay, so there's a couple reasons why I got this. First reason being that I needed a new pipe. Second off, the gasket that goes in this thing shredded up somehow. It didn't get burned off, it just got like torn up, I think from taking it off so many times, but hopefully it'll last longer this time. So this is the old one that I would usually use. It's got a zip tie coupler on there, and this one actually has a spring coupler, which is pretty nice. I don't actually see the springs right now, but they're probably somewhere in this package somewhere, which I'll break into in a second. And also it's a better pipe overall, I think. This one was a little bit loud. Maybe I think this one was actually going to quiet my engine a little bit, but also another reason, I think like the last reason why I got this thing is because I'm getting a new engine for Christmas. It's an Adams SV1. It's one of the cheaper engines out there, but I've heard some pretty good stuff about it. I've seen people take them apart, and they say that they're a really nice engine, so I'm inclined to believe them. I don't have a tripod for my phone yet, but I might get one sooner or later. So I don't actually have the engine quite yet, and there's a reason for that. The reason why I don't have the engine yet is because it's actually a Christmas present. So this thing, first impressions, it's pretty nice. It's definitely something. The exhaust, as you can see, it's got like something right there, something going on right there. I don't really think that's too traditional with pipes or stuff like this. Let me see if I can actually like turn this around, because I need it to. Okay, we have a gasket here over this. Can I take that off? I wonder if I can. It's like the first time. Oh, there we go. This is the first time I've dealt with like or really had like a nice engine pipe. So I gotta remember that this one. I'm pretty sure that this one went over. Pretty sure that one went over that, and that one was on the top. So I'll probably look it back in the video anyway. So, pretty nice construction. It feels solid, and the letters are actually supposed to be engraved, which they actually are. They might just be printed on there. They said they were engraved, but I'm not too sure. Quickly, I'm just gonna put this back on. So give me a second. So we got it back on there now. So going over it one more time. It really looks solid. I'm really glad that there's no zip tie coupler there, so I'm actually going to break this stuff out. I believe that, so this is the manifold spring, the long one, and the little gasket right there is going to stick in there and stick onto the engine. So, and of course we have, how many? We have we have three manifolds, or we have three coupler springs, and a set screw for the actual mount, which I probably will use, hopefully. If I can get it open like this. Okay, there we are. There we go. Nice and new, as always. So pulling out a little gasket, fitting it in there. Just gonna assemble it so whenever I do get my engine for Christmas, it'll fit all the way together, so that's nice. What I am going to do is I'm going to screw in this little set screw just so I don't lose it, and I'll know that it's inside of there. So yeah, my 2.5 that for now, because I think that it's plenty good. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's in there good. I'm not going to mess with it too much just because I don't want to lose it over there. So that's good, and I'm going to put on these manifold springs. Not manifold springs, freaking coupler springs. And I'm actually gonna do that off camera real quick so I can just slap it. So since there was only 3 coupler springs in the bag, I just spread them out evenly in thirds so that one side wasn't being like forced that way, so that it's all balanced out and won't come off. So I'm so happy to have a pipe that doesn't have these shitty zip ties, because these things are a nightmare. This one actually came off as a 21, and I mean, for a little bit they kept popping out, but eventually they just stuck on there. But I'm just glad to get rid of this one, because this one kind of looks, it's not really that great of a pipe. This one's, I think I can do good with this one. I think it'll definitely raise the RPMs in my SV21, because I know the engine is actually pretty powerful. And I'm putting my finger over this, yeah. So, Dynamite Platinum. I'm not sure if that's the part number or what, but if you guys want the part number, here you go. Because I honestly think it's worth it. 54 bucks. You know, you can get a nice pipe for your nitro buggy, nitro truggy. You know, so. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get one for my truggy as well later down the line. Definitely not now, just cause I'm not really doing anything serious with that thing yet. But compared to the old one, it's a little bit shorter, but that's no problem. I can just adjust a little exhaust holder at the end of it, so at the end of the front of the chassis. But that's fine. But yeah, this one's pretty crap. I'm going to talk about, I kind of want to talk about this pipe for a second, but I really ain't got anything for this. So thanks for checking out this unboxing, guys. Really didn't have much on this. So also, the way I got these coupler springs on was by a pick like this. I just grabbed the spring and just kind of stretched it out, and I linked it over there. So yeah, it's pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys, once again, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.